If this is your first time of visiting this channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This channel is all about effective product recommendations. We try to review and tell you what works. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to be telling you about Johnson Baby Lotion. Okay, so if you haven't thumbs up yet, kindly like this video and turn on the notification bell. Also subscribe to this channel. You're free to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Hi wonderful people, you're welcome back to today's video. I'm Victoria Vic, and in today's video I'm going to be asking you a question and also be answering this question for you people. The question is, should Johnson Baby Lotion be used for adults, or should it just be used for kids alone? We all know that Johnson Baby Lotion is mainly for kids, but should adults use this cream? If this is your first time of visiting this channel, you're welcome. This channel is all about effective product recommendation. We'll try to review what works so that you don't use your skin for trying and errors. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly tap the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like, and you're free to share this video with your friends and loved ones. I'm Victoria. So let's go straight to the video. This is Johnson Baby Lotion. This Johnson Baby Lotion, I just want to ask you people, do you think it can be used for adults? Because a lot of us know this cream, but we believe that it's only used for babies. Okay, so today I'm going to be telling you what you should be doing if you are looking for a cream to use for your skin and you are an adult and you're thinking about Johnson Baby Lotion. I'm going to tell you how to use this cream to achieve a glowing skin and a beautiful complexion. The first thing you should know about Johnson Baby Lotion is that it's mostly designed for babies and it's almost completely natural. Okay, so it doesn't contain any lightening products, any organic or all those kind of things. So if you are looking for very just free natural skincare products, I think giving Johnson Baby Lotion a trial will be very good. Because first of all, what I notice about this cream is this: when you use this cream, it moisturizes your skin. Yeah, apart from moisturizing your skin, it makes your hands soft, it makes your skin really soft, and at the same time you're not at risk of bleaching, toning, or anything, because the work of this Johnson Baby Lotion is just to nourish and moisturize your skin. It nourishes and moisturize your skin. So if you're looking for any good cream that's going to nourish your skin, moisturize it, doesn't bleach you, doesn't tone you, and make your skin look very soft and very beautiful, I think this Johnson Baby Lotion works for me. So how I use my Johnson Baby Lotion is this. First of all, before I go out in the morning, because I have my cream I use, and then I use every morning and night, but since I got this Johnson Baby Lotion, what I do is that I use it in the daytime. You know why? Because those creams we are using, some of them contains a lot of harmful chemicals which are not supposed to be exposed to under the sun. So when you use it under the sun, you notice that some part of your skin is getting burned somehow, especially for these toning, lightening, and glowing creams. Do you understand? So I bought this Johnson Baby Lotion. So the thing I use it for is that when I'm going out under the sun, I don't apply my cream. I use this Johnson Baby Lotion. And when I use my Johnson Baby Lotion, I notice that my skin really look very soft, beautiful, and glowing. Yeah, it makes my skin very, very sweet. So how I do it is that I just apply a little quantity. Okay, so you have to unlock it by, yeah, it's unlocked. So, and then I just applied a little quantity into my hand, and guess what? It's very soft, very soft. Oh my God! So you can just use it to moisturize your skin. When you use it, you can use it to moisturize your skin. So you see that? So this Johnson Baby Lotion, it's very nice. Okay, I'm going to tell you the kind of person that should use this baby lotion. First of all, if you have a dry skin and if cream doesn't work on your skin, and especially if you don't want to bleach and you don't want to tone, you don't want to change your complexion, you just want to retain it and just make your complexion a little bit soft without getting so cranky or dry, you can use this Johnson Baby Lotion, because it's going to moisturize your skin, and at the same time your skin is going to look really, really nice and soft. If you have a dry skin, use it. If you want to maintain your complexion, use it. If you don't want to bleach, use it. If you want to soften your skin, use it. Like seriously, since I started using it, I felt like dropping the cream I'm using, but if I drop it, you know, it's gonna be really dark. But not like, I felt like dropping the cream I was using since I started using this Johnson Baby Lotion, because it gives me what I want. It makes me really soft, you know, moisturizes my skin, and at the same time I'm not at risk of any chemical. Like, I'm not going to be scared that this thing is going to hurt me or this one is going to happen to my skin, because I know that it's completely natural and it's beautiful. So this Johnson Baby Lotion, some person is going to ask me, how do they detect original? Well, I really can't say how to detect the original, but what I do know is that I got this one 4,000 and above. It's more than 4,000. okay, it's more than 4,000. And where I bought it, I tried to buy my creams where I can get mostly the original. And again, if you want to buy it, make sure you don't buy the Nigeria made version. Not like I'm condemning Nigeria products, but the one I use is not Nigeria made. So get this one because it's very beautiful and you're going to love it. So that's it. Another thing you can do with this is that when you want to apply it, mix it, you know. So that is all about Johnson Baby Lotion. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.